I will show you step by step how we made $175,210 in commission just by promoting affiliate links on YouTube using free traffic without investing any money in paid ads. I will share with you guys which affiliate links I was promoting on YouTube. I will share with you one of my profitable affiliate links that I was promoting on YouTube to get so much money and earn a lot of commission. And I will share with you for beginners step by step how we can join Fiverr affiliate marketing, how we can create an affiliate account like this one, and so much more. Okay, and as you can see over here in my balance, I have $7,510 in commission available. I will be able to withdraw this money by the end of this month. I will still get more commission. It can be up to 10k this month. So for people who are new to my YouTube channel and they want to start making money with Fiverr affiliate, you just need to go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. Okay, so what you need to do, you just need to come to this page and you need to scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliate. Okay, you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website as you can see. So what you will do next, click on join now. Okay, and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. And as you can see, the sign up process is super easy and simple. You just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, account type, make it private. Scroll down. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Okay, and choose your country, choose your language. If you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. Okay, after you finish, you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. Okay, so this will be your Fiverr affiliates account. Okay, so what you need to do next, you need to choose profitable and good services that you will promote on YouTube to earn commission. Okay, you cannot promote any services. You need to choose specific services that people are searching for, and I will share with you the method that I'm using to find profitable services. I will go to your go to your YouTube homepage. Okay, so first, why I choose YouTube? Did you know that YouTube has 33 billion monthly visitors? You can get so much traffic from YouTube. Okay, millions of people every single day are searching on YouTube for specific topics, searching for products, services, tutorials, and so much more. Okay, there are a lot of people on YouTube making millions every single month just from affiliate marketing. Okay, just by promoting affiliate links on YouTube, because there is so much traffic. Okay, 33 billion monthly visitors, that's really so much. Okay, so what you will do, you will go back to so like I said, go to your YouTube homepage. Okay, and click on the search and ask questions. So for example, I will ask how to run, and here you go. YouTube will give you a lot of topics that people are searching for. As you can see, the first topic is how to run Facebook ads, how to run Instagram ads. Okay, so what I will do, let's take this topic, how to run Facebook ads. I will go back to my Fiverr homepage, click on the search for Facebook ads. Okay, like this. Scroll down. I want you to pay attention in this step. Okay, make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, top rated seller, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link. Okay, so like this one, for example, this one has a lot of reviews. This has almost 5 star. So let me see. Welcome to my gig here on Fiverr. This one is really looking good. I will click on his service. So just click on his service and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. And as you can see, this seller has 23 orders in queue. Okay, A lot of people are buying this service. So what you will do, you will copy this profile seller page, okay? Copy this seller profile page, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links, click over here and put this seller profile link here, click over here again, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do, you just need to promote this affiliate link on YouTube. Okay, before we do that, we need to create a video that we will use to promote our affiliate link on YouTube. Go back to this seller profile page, click on his video.
Hey, my name is Joe, and welcome to my gig here on Fiverr. In this gig, my Texas-based internet marketing firm helps your business turn their likes into more leads.
Good. Double click. I will save. Click on save video. Okay. Save this video to your laptop. Okay. Like this. Go to Canva. Okay. Go to Google. Search for Canva. Sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one on Canva. Click over here on video, and you will be directly in this page. Click on upload. Click on upload file and upload this video to Canva. Okay, open, and here you go. Click on your video, and your video will be over here.
Hey, my name is Joe, and welcome to.
Click on this 3 points. Click on set video as background, and here you go. Click on text. Scroll down, choose which style of text you want to use. I will use this one. Click on the text you want to use. I will delete this part, and I will keep just using this one. Make it small and put this title here. Double click and write this sentence: check link in description. Okay, check link in description, like this, and put this title here. Okay, we'll make it small and go over here to elements. Click on elements and click on shape. Okay, and use this shape here to make this title looks good. Okay, like this. It's super easy. Okay, check link in description. Okay, and here you go. Let me see.
Hey, my name is Joe, and welcome to my gig here on Fiverr. In this gig, my Texas-based internet marketing firm helps.
And here you go. After you finish, click on share, click on download, and this video will be downloaded to your laptop. Go to your YouTube channel, upload this video, and put this title: how to run Facebook ads. Okay, don't add or change anything, just use this title: how to add Facebook ads. Put this title in your description, put your affiliate link, and that's it. It's really easy and simple. You don't need to invest any money, and you can promote affiliate links on YouTube. 33 billion monthly visitors on YouTube. You can get so much traffic for free without investing any money in paid ads, and that's it. If you don't know how to upload a video and how you can put your affiliate link in your YouTube description, check link in my description below. I will leave a link of my YouTube, of one of my YouTube videos showing you step by step how you can put affiliate links in your YouTube description and how you can promote affiliate links on YouTube. Okay, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in my next videos.